Keep me where the stars around. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. Hey guys, so this is going to be kind of a quick video because I was in a rush to get somewhere when I was filming this. But if you guys want to see how I achieve this midnight smoky eye, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm just starting off by taking the Beauty Glazed Impressed You palette, and I'm taking the shade and putting it all over the lid as a transition. And then I'm using this lighter brown shade in the palette, and I'm blending that together with the transition shade and applying that all into my crease. And I'm using the Morphe M441 brush to do this. The brush is not actually pink, it's just tinted pink because of another video I filmed. But I'm just going to slowly build up the shadow and blend it all out. Alright, and now I'm taking this darker brown shade in the palette, and I'm using the Morphe M433 brush to pack this on the outer corner of my eye and then blend it into my crease. And then I'm taking this black shade in the palette and I'm doing the same exact thing, packing it on over that brown shade and blending it out into the crease as well. Now you definitely want to make sure that you're taking little amounts at a time and not putting too much on your brush, just so you're not applying too much on your eye at once and you're just slowly building up the shadows. That way it's easier to blend out. But now I'm just taking an NYX blending brush and blending everything together to make sure that the edges of the eyeshadow are seamless. And now I'm going in with some Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and with a little flat brush, I'm just cutting my crease. I'm going to go about halfway. I'm not going to bring it all the way to the outer corner of my eye, just about halfway, and then I'm going to kind of elongate the upper part of the cut crease. And now I'm going to go in with some Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Shadow. This is the shade Midnight Molten, and I'm going to apply that with a packing brush all where I cut my crease. And now to make it just a little bit more precise, I'm going in with a little liner brush and taking a small amount of that liquid shadow and just aligning the edge of the cut crease. And now I'm just going in, and right above where I cut the crease, I'm adding a tiny bit more black shadow just to give more definition to the look. And I'm also bringing that right to the outer corner of my eye and blending it together with that glitter shadow. And I'm just cleaning up my eyeshadow with a bit more concealer to prep for some winged liner. And now I'm going in with some Wet n Wild Mega Liner and creating my wing. And I slightly messed up here, but we all mess up sometimes. Even the most professional makeup artists make mistakes. So it's nothing to worry about. It can be pretty easily fixed with some more concealer. And either way, I was going for a bold wing, so the fact that the wing is very long doesn't bother me because I always tend to make dramatic wings no matter what. But now I'm just going in with a bit of concealer and making sure that is all cleaned up and sharp. And now I'm just going in and carefully curling my lashes to prep them for mascara. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And now I'm going to be popping on some Cocoa lashes in the style Amore. And then I'm using just a little bit more mascara to blend my natural and false lashes together. So now I'm just going to be going in and using the same shades that I used on my lids under my lash line. So I'm going to be using that same transition shade that I used from the Impressed You palette and also the same brown shades as well. And sorry for the angle looking so terrible right now. I didn't realize how far down I was looking at my mirror. But anyways, now I'm going in with the Morphe M213. This is just a little smudger brush, and I'm taking that same black shade that I used and applying that right on my lower lash line and then blending it out. And then I'm taking some Milani Supreme Kohl Kajal eyeliner and just applying that on my waterline and some Maybelline The Falsies mascara on my bottom lashes. And now to complete this look, I'm just taking some Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Plath. And I'm setting that all into place with some NYX setting spray. And that is the finished look, guys. It looks kind of difficult to achieve, but I'm hoping after this tutorial it made it easier for you. And yeah, so if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos. And I'll see you in the next one, guys.